Fire from the cannons. When the smoke clears, we're still standing.
Yes, we stand our ground.
Fire from the cannons. When the smoke clears, we're still standing.
Yes, we stand our ground. I see a day that's coming up ahead. A sad day when all the real ones are dead. Better load up your pistols, your rifles, and your shotguns. Better pray and read the Bible if you got one.
I could've did this long ago, but my time would've came and faded. And God said just do right, better live right and be patient. There's a day coming up when they gon' need to hear your words. All your trials and tribulations, all the wisdom that you have learned. They gon' burn down the cities and divide this whole nation. One nation under God, and we ain't riding with you, Satan. Not the woods, we come racing, patriotic with pistols blazing. Let them cannons get the banging for this younger generation. Let them grow up and live just the way we did. Let our kids have a chance before that chance is over with. I'm being nice as I can get, and I'm trying to be a friend. But if you cross that damn line, Lord forgive me for my sins. Now they gon' have to kill us, so chase us out of town. But we ain't giving up and we ain't laying down. Man, we straight up raising hell until they put us in the ground. So you better back up when you hear that sound of the
Fire from the can.